Hold up. Ooh. Ooh, another nature one. Oh yeah, we saw that one a while back.
Tiger shark! Tiger shark ran me. Holy.
Whoa, that's my foot.
What did bro say?
Tiger shark ran me.
What did bro
Holy.
say?
Whoa, that's my foot.
Did he say that's my foot? Hey, bro kept the fish though.
Oh my.
Hey, it's missing now. Y'all are cooked. Time to guess the animal, chat. Have I seen this one? Bear. Oh, we did see this one. Never mind. That wasn't even impressive. Yeah, that's the windshield wiper. I ain't gonna lie, this one funny. He cute. Petty.
They think I'm trying to eat him, and if you cop a mouthful of that, you're gonna second guess eating it.
He's getting on the roof, Dad. Oh, sorry.
How can you be so casual with it? How?
Did you get that?
How?
Yeah.
That's the first time I've actually been bitten on the face.
What could this possibly have to do with an animal? What was that, a pterodactyl? Oh, it was a deer.
My dog's asleep. If she wakes up, she's gonna attack you. She's dead. If she wakes up, she's gonna attack you. You need to get out of the shade. My dog, she's right behind you. She's right behind you.
Hey, big dog, you got an ample warning. I'm not gonna lie.
These missionaries knocked on the wrong door.
Hey, you got a warning. Not gonna lie, as soon as she said that, I'm out of there. What is that? Oh, that's a light. Why did it cut off? Chad, is there a reason that the video cut off?
Destroyed my fence. Look! Go into FaceTime.
Hey, they heard you was recording.
Oh my gosh. Oh, they're gonna kill each other.
No, ma'am, no they are not.
Gosh, they've destroyed my... Oh my gosh.
Them things too big to kill each other.
Oh my gosh.
I actually don't know. Chad, is there a way that a moose on a moose fight actually ends in death? I don't think... Man, looks like two mooses was fighting out here. Huh.
Because 1 million views equals 2.
She already trying to rack up the money they about to get off that TikTok. Ma'am, I know you ain't. Sun just came up. Hey, there has been 2 videos now where I am not sure what the end result was. Okay, that's the second one.
Want me to just toss it next to his face?
Hey, hold up now. Yeah, there's nobody like getting dead in this video, right? Why are you laughing? By the way, what does Elvis have to do with... Oh, that's the name of the alligator. Oh, okay. Well, that's cool. Like, there's no way you're laughing. I almost watched somebody die. Ain't that right, Phil? Bro, go home. Like, go home, man. Hey. Hey. Yeah, and I never fished again.
In Malaysia, there's always a chance a 2-meter monitor lizard will sneak into your home.
Oh, it's okay. It's not a Komodo dragon. Never mind. False alarm. I put that knife back. Huh, monitor lizard. I wonder where the TV lizards are.
Luckily, this one left pretty quickly.
Do those eat people alive too? My night was almost instantly ruined seeing a Komodo dragon, by the way. Dude, where do y'all live at? By the way, dog a goober. Oh yeah, we saw this one too. Do got aura, low-key.
No.
Chat, bear's cute though, man. They're just, what a shame. You know what I mean? What a shame we can't just like pet them. Ain't that a shame? Wait, there's two? Okay, the quality of this video is a little too low for me. Am I about to watch somebody die? Why is he closing the door behind him? Can you imagine what the people behind the door are thinking? You just closed the door on this guy in here with like a big a cow, and you just hear screaming and stuff flying everywhere. Somebody said it's a sacrifice. Look, see, he looking for somebody. Oh no! Dude got so lucky. Oh my, if that thing wouldn't have slipped, dude would have been toast.
Welcome to the
GG! Dog, he don't need no leaves. He's already got grass. He don't need you giving him some. So you just gonna make him...
Get him! You idiot.
Buddy. Yay, they saved it!
She'll never forget.
Pet him! Pet him! I don't care, dude. If I'm already this close to this bear, I'm going for a pet. If I die, I die. I don't care. Yeah, might as well risk it. Exactly. Like I'm already cooked.
That's noise now.
Oh! That is one thing about cats. Cats actually solo most snakes. It's actually kind of crazy. No joke.
You got your fish on?
At your feet.
Oh God! God, no!
No. Oh, that's scary. That's scary as
Why are you laughing? This gotta be Florida. See, like right there. Do you think you're getting away with a little pet? Like a little, right there. Can you think you can get away with that fast enough? Yo, that lion has seen some stuff. Look at the battle scars. What's bro doing? Why is he making that noise? Bro got a hairball? Why is the dogs out? Are you on Mars? What am I watching? What is this? Oh, it's Australia. Okay, never mind. Ma'am, consider yourself lucky. You just got a perfect reason to call into work. What you talking about? Ma'am, there's a bear behind your car! Oh, there's a bear in the car. Oh, okay.
When this guy went out for a run, he had no idea it was going to be much shorter than usual.
Bro, that dog is not chasing you, man. Relax. He just running. What am I hearing? Oh, it's a dog. Yo! Bro is scooting!
Are you okay?
Me?
Are you okay? Yeah.
Yes, girl.
Hey, don't act like you... Hey, we got that all on camera, big dog. Don't act like you wasn't just running screaming. You can't act cool now. It's over. Hey, there is no chance to act cool no more. We done seen it. Okay. Let's play guess. Never mind, it's a bear.
Whoa!
We saw this one. Hey! What's the pig doing? It got in the house. It's not that scary. I promise you, if you were just in your house and you looked up and you see a giant boar or a pig, you're gonna be screaming a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my. Ma'am, he's just chilling. So we have a group of people literally running for their lives, and the group on this side is literally clapping, saying, go, go, go. What am I watching? Dude, there's like 30 people about to die, and the people over here are literally clapping, cheering, saying, go. Oh, they cute. When was y'all gonna tell me they had teeth like that? I'll never look at them the same. GG. Okay, well, there it is. They still kind of cute, though. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, he about to cut his hair off. They go from laughing to. He went to it. Hey! Hey! Bro, we do another one!
Well, he's not the better pole to climb, but maybe if we just let him fall down.
Water buffalo, I'm a nerd. I think. I don't know. Maybe. He's friendly. Bro laughing about it. Okay, it was a dog. Okay. Oh, we got a turkey. Oh my God. What is that? Oh, that is evil looking. Oh! Oh my goodness, that's... Oh my goodness, that's actually like the most terrifying thing I've ever seen in my life. That's actually like so scary. That is like legitimately like, dude. What is going on?
Welcome back. Jesus Christ. Holy. Holy right.
Bro, I actually think that would like give me, no joke, like a heart attack. Bro just went in somebody's house. Yo. Time to play Guess the Animal. It's giving bear. Not gonna lie, chat, it's giving bear. What y'all thinking? This is definitely bear territory right here.
Yay. Ah!
Were we wrong? What was that?
Oh, yay. Ah!
Chat, we were wrong. It was a deer. -1 point.
No. There's a dog.
There was just a dog chasing some deer skis through the woods. Dude, chat, nature undefeated, bro. Bro think he fighting somebody. Bro, that's your reflection. Oh, Lord. Oh my. Hey, I'm glad they got a fence around that thing. Oh, it's a snake. Aura. Act like nothing happened. GG. Hey, y'all, that thing's 3 feet from you. Let's put it in drive. Yeah, it's over.
Oh my god. I missed. Oh, we stopped.
Why do they run away so whimsically after they do something? They run like, do you know what that reminds me of? That reminds me of, what's his name from Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs? The one we just saw. Flint Lockwood run. Where they run, but their head don't move. See, the head don't move.
Dude, oh.
Yo, he jumped at the.
Dude, oh.
Aura. Oh my goodness, did you see? Dude. They're like, oh man, it's him. And he just, oh my goodness, that's so tough. Bro, why? Why?
Corre, Yoli, corre, corre, corre.
Ma'am, you're going the wrong.
Corre, que te coge el cocodrilo, corre. Corre, que te coge, corre.
Why'd the video cut off? What kind of animal is that? That is Aura! No. Stop! Average cow moment, by the way. No joke, average cow moment. If you go to feed some cows, the cows literally just run in and try to take the food from you. Schlog, this kid is 2 years old doing this. I never saw an animal. Did y'all see anything? I think bro just tripped. In the worst possible place you could ever trip, by the way. Oh, the fish on the line? Not gonna lie, I enjoyed that one. Chat, I swear those nature videos, bro, where them animals just be like, bro, them things are straight cinema.